Hello everyone, it's so funny. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm gonna be doing this look I am wearing right now. So if you guys like it, please keep on watching. Keep on watching.
I need you back on it, girl. Riding like a pony, girl. It's all yours, baby. It's all yours, baby. Don't think I'm cheating on you, girl. Don't think I'm creeping on you.
Hello everyone, it's so funny. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm gonna be doing a makeup look. So yes, we are about to get cute. Yeah. So I already did my brow in one eye off camera. This Clinique Beyond Perfecting Concealer. And I'm going to correcting my eyelid a little bit. Now I'm done color correcting my eyelid. Next I'm going to take my Miss Cos eyeshadow palette and ouch, and I'm gonna take this orange color right here and I'm going to apply this all over my lid. Next I'm taking this color right here to blend the edges, and I am patting the yellow around the edges so I can blend. And now I'm going in with this brush right here just to blend it out. Cut my crease with the same concealer. So next I'm gonna go in with my Beauty Blaze eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna take this color right here. I'm gonna take this nude color right here called Beach. And I want you guys to see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna look in my mirror. So now I'm going to use this blue chunky glitter, and I'm just gonna dip this a little bit. Ooh, and I really want you guys to see how I'm doing this part. So now I'm going to use this BBFS Place eyeshadow. Well, not eyeshadow. Alright, so now I'm going to use these two BBFS Place. I can't talk. So now I'm going to use this two BBFS Place foundation. This one is Malawi 230 and this is Burkina 310. So I'm gonna mix them together. Yes, let's mix them together. Oh, and I'll be right back. I don't know how to sing, so don't judge me. Oh my goodness, this foundation is amazing. Oh, now I am done blending this foundation, and I am going to contour. No, contour. No. So now I am going to highlight with Juvia's Place Concealer Foil. I need some new concealer, like really, because I've been using this for the past 3 months. Oh my god. going to set my face with Juvia's Blaze setting powder, Kalahari. Alright, so now I am going to contour with Juvia's Blaze Concealer 3. So now to define my contour, I'm going to use this Juvia's Blaze setting powder called Nami. So now to set the contour, I'm going in with this contour powder, and I'm just going to set my contour. So now I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Press powder, and I'm going to dust the powder all over my face. So now I'm going to add some blush on my cheeks. So now I'm going to highlight my cheeks. So now for my lips, I'm going to use this Juvia's Blaze matte lipstick called Tattoo, and I'm going to use this lipstick called Is Me New York. I'm going to set my makeup with this NYX setting spray. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you do, please leave me a big thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Crazy. I need somebody to heal, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's never the same. Ooh, I need somebody to heal, somebody to have, somebody to know. Crazy. I need somebody to heal, somebody to know, somebody to have, and somebody to hold.